right. Hi, Coulter. For this video, we're just going to do a quick review of some of the letters we've been reviewing since you've left after boot camp. We're just going to go through. I'm going to hold up a letter card, and you can say the sound, the name of the letter, and the picture, and I'll do it along with you. Okay? All right. So we have K, C, cat. And you can do it with me or after me. So K, C, cat. D, D, dog. E, egg. K, kite. A, apple, or it can also say A. M, man. I, igloo. It also makes the sound I, like an ice cream. N, nut. B, boy. R, rat. Ox. Phone's ringing. F, fish. Pig. Top. S, snake. L, lamp. H, hat. And G, like in goat. All right. Well, the kids are just going to have counselor here in a minute. So if you want to rewatch that, I didn't do every letter. I just kind of done the letters we're reviewing so far over the last few weeks. So you can rewatch that and do it after me. All right. Have a great day. Bye.